This is the final video to fix Helldivers 2 crashing on your PC, and you can finally stop searching for answers today. Are you tired of your game closing, or freezing right when you are about to finish a mission? This annoying problem usually happens because your computer files have a small error or your hardware is not talking to the game software correctly. Most videos on YouTube make this way too hard to understand, or they talk for 20 minutes without giving you a real answer. Here at Rexish, we make things easy for you, and that is why I have 4 proven methods to fix these crashes for good. I guarantee that at least one of these solutions will work for you, even if your game crashes every single time you open it. You should pause this video right now, so you can try these methods one by one, or take screenshots of the steps as they appear. These 4 ways fix the deep errors in your system without any confusion or long wait times. Do not skip any part of this process, because the fix you need might be the very last one we show. Now, please follow the method step by step as they show on the screen.